Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is a video of unboxing this VR virtual reality glasses. Okay. So basically in this video, I'm just unboxed it from this Flipkart. So it's cost around 312 rupees at Kolkata with delivery charge. Remember that, with delivery charge. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this. Turn down for what? Turn down for what? So when you are unboxing this, just open the shaft, the side. Oh, pretty nice quality. So I just take that out, and there are a few components inside. This one is this one, another is this one, and there was a foam. This is the user manual. There was a foam which I just unboxed it previously, don't lie. So let's open it. So pretty cheap quality. I just examined it previously, and seriously, it's pretty cheap. When you see that, it's pretty cheap, not nicely glued, and the lenses are not perfect and non-changeable and tilted. See, tilted. So pretty low cost, and the normal price of this types of VR is around 1,000, and this particular VR's listed price is 9,900. Sorry, 9,000. Oh my god, 900. What the hell? 999 rupees is price tag. So this offer is pretty good. Let's see. These belts are still pretty normal, and there are three external things. These are the disadvantage. Let's talk first about disadvantage. See this, you can just see, if I just zoom a little bit, you can just see that this is pretty tilted. See, these are the lens accurationally, but these are not fixed, and see, it's tilting, man. No, that's not good. So I have no problem, but the negative point first. Negative points. This negative points. Okay, man. Now the positive points. I love to say that these glasses are huge. If I just measure, it's around 3.5 centimeters diameter. So it's pretty long, man. So this one was blade. It's pretty nice. See? Nothing happened. Okay, so this is a good thing. And every type of phone, the corner phone, the middle phone, both type of phones, camera are free outside, and this is the scratch. See? And there is this space to take out the speaker of your phone, and there are a few holes at here if you want to connect the charger or the headphones. And these are the commercial, both sides they have, and this slider is not locked. Okay, so if I take out the slider, and what I'm gonna say that the foam that was not in the box. Just kidding, I just plugged it here. 1, 2, 3. It's come with this thing, and this build quality is pretty good, and it's connected by this shaft. It's a spring actually. See, a spring. And so outside disadvantages I said, but inside disadvantage. See, this is a pretty low quality inside. See, man, I can just squeeze it. Bit of force, but still. And the phone was not here permanently because of this foam. If they made up of rubber or silicone, something like that, so it will be okay. But in this thing particularly, there is not a grip that I wanted. Or when I just connect my headphone at here and just take it out, it just goes slide this way. And just read this unboxing review. The 5 minutes. So next, I want to say that you have an idea that in 312 rupees you will not get any remote, and that is a big disadvantage because this do not contain any type of magnets. See, which Google Cardboard does, and some Google Cardboard apps which have this switching thing requested, or you cannot play any types of game in this thing without a controller, and the controller is sold out there at 200 rupees or 158, very cheap, and that was a Bluetooth connected. You can buy it separately or with it, but this do not contain it. So if you do not want to buy this, I don't know, I will give a link in description for this product and product with the remote, and optional you can buy it with it, whatever, you can just go and check it. So this is good for the price. See, man, this is completely of my money, so I brought this. I should buy the next remote, but still, oops, it's a good quality, man. See. Chat kuchu kuchu. Okay, pretty good build quality. Build quality is good. So bye bye.